welcome in my YouTube channel. Yay! Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. I purchased ring light and tripod separately. First of all, I will unbox tripod, then I will unbox ring light. It's come with nice packaging. And also it's come with tripod bag, and it's a good thing, yeah, so you can easily carry it. And I also like the material of tripod. Yeah, this is the final look. And yes, this is the highest height of the tripod. Yeah, this is the highest size. Yes, this is the second size. This is the third size. This is the smallest size of tripod. Yes. And yes, from this you can easily remove this holder, and I think it is very helpful also. And yeah, from here you can easily attach any mobile holder, camera and ring light also. Yes, and then you can easily put it back. If this bubble is in middle, it means is so that your surface is properly horizontal and at a zero angle. Yes. And yes, this is for a convert your phone landscape to vertical. And yes, this is for a 360-degree camera rotation. And from this you can increase the height of a tripod. And from this handle you can change the camera angle and set the camera angle. And yeah, this is the whole things of this tripod. I love the way it is like so small and you can carry it everywhere. I give it 4.5 out of 5. Yes. And yes, now let's open the ring light. And yes, this is the 26 centimeter ring light. And yes, it also have 3 different temperature: warm, white and yellow light. Yeah, you can change it from remote. Yeah, this is the ring light. And it's come with this mobile holder, and it is adjustable, and yeah, it is connect your tripod and ring light. And yes, it comes with a USB cable. You can attach with any USB adapter, laptop, power bank, or anything. Yes. And yes, this is the warm temperature lighting mode. And yeah, this is the lowest power of it. And yeah, this is the highest power of. Now it is a yellow temperature lighting mode, and this is the lowest power of it, and this is the highest power of it. And this is the white temperature lighting mode, and yes, this is the lowest power of it, and this is the highest power of it. Three different temperature. Yes, it's working properly. It is used to connect with your tripod, and this is used for connect your mobile holder, and it is flexible. Now attach the mobile holder with this flexible stick. Yeah, this is my tripod, and I attach a ring light from this. Yeah. And yes, from this you can change your mobile vertical to horizontal and horizontal to vertical. Yeah. You can also use it for cooking video or anything like that. Like, it's too small. You can compare with my hand now. Yeah, it is too small. And it's too small. Yeah. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Yeah, tripod is I recommend 100%. I recommended you. But ring light is, if you want to 10-inch ring light, then you definitely buy this. Otherwise, the brightness is so low. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Yay! Like, subscribe, comment down below. Yay! Toodles.